Now we'll do short meditation. You know, one thing you forget or you don't pay attention, you are defying gravity every day. Have you thought about it? No. You are being held tight to the earth because of gravity, right? The earth is like that, you are stuck to the earth like this all over. That means your body is stuck to the earth because there is gravity. Now you are defying gravity every day. That's how you could walk. That's how you could get up. That's how you could jump. That's why you could run. If you can't defy gravity, you can't even run. For example, the tree cannot run. A stone is stuck. A stone cannot run. But you do it because you have the ability to do the opposite of gravity, defy the gravity. We are made up of 5 elements. One element is just a witness, whereas the earth element and water element, they go down, gravity. Fire and air, they go up. Are you with me? So if you are so earthbound, you are bound only. You can't experience the other side of it. But air and fire element, if we pay attention to it, then what happens? These 2 elements pushes you up. Are you all listening? So fire element and air element, pay little more attention. If they become stronger, then your body becomes much lighter. Like it could walk, it could also jump, could also levitate. But it needs a lot of practice. So more fire element and air element, focus on it. You will feel instantly, you feel the lightness in the body. Let's do the meditation. Let's sit comfortably, easily. आराम से बैठ जाएं, रीढ़ की हड्डी सीधा रखें, कंधों को ढीला छोड़ दें. अच्छा, how many of you have not done Sanyam here? Raise your hand. Sanyam, you should do Sanyam. You will see how much power you have. You can realize your power. You can make anyone friendly. You can turn things around. So many siddhis will happen with that. Isn't it happening? Those who have done Sanyam, raise your hand. Tell me, what is that? Yeah? You're getting those powers, right? The power of the seer over the object. One is the situation has power on you, but you have a power over the situation also. Huh? Yes, see, so many are testimony for this. Yeah? क्या दृश्य का अपना पावर है, परिस्थिति की अपनी बल है अपना, मगर जो करता है, दृष्टा है, इस परिस्थिति को देखने वाला, इसका भी अपना पावर है. हम क्या करते हैं, अपना शक्ति ना जानते हुए सिर्फ उस पर जाते रहते हैं, तो दुखी रहते हैं. जब अपना जो शक्ति है, चेतना का जो बल है, वो परिस्थिति के बल से ज़्यादा हो तो हम सुखी. जब हमारी चेतना परिस्थिति से दब जाती है तो हम दुखी होते हैं, है ना. तो संयम करो तो और भी पता चलेगा. अच्छा, अभी रीढ़ की हड्डी सीधा रख के शरीर को ढीला छोड़ दें, आंखें बंद करें. Let's focus on just the air and fire element in our body. Our mind is all air element. And there is fire element in every cell of our body. शरीर के कण कण में अग्नि तत्व है और वायु तत्व भी है. ये ऊपर की ओर चलते हैं. उसी पर ध्यान दीजिए. शरीर के कण कण में सोई हुई वायु तत्व और अग्नि तत्व जगे. जैसे बत्ती जब जलती है तो आग ऊपर की ओर ही जाता है. इस तरह से शरीर के कण कण की चेतना जागे तो शरीर देखो हल्का होने लगता, मन हल्का महसूस होने लगता है. Notice the lightness that comes up when you put your attention on the fire and air element which moves upward. In this little attention on the in-breath and not much attention on the exhalation. Breathe in and just relax. Take your attention to the top of the head. Take your mind to the top of the head. सिर की चोटी पर अपना मन को ले जाए. शरीर के कण कण से मन उठकर सिर की चोटी के ओर जा रहे. अब ओंकार का ध्वनि करते हैं. लेट्स चैंट ओम. टेक ए डीप ब्रेथ इन. Like the fire that propels a rocket to the space, the Omkar lifts your spirit up. Another deep breath in with a smile. Relax and repose in yourself. Whatever is the sensations, let them be. Whatever are the sensations, just let them be. कहीं हल्का कहीं भारीपन महसूस हो सकता है, रहने रहने दें उसको. Become aware of the vast sky and millions of stars. अनंत आकाश और अरबों करबों तारे सितारे. Let go of all your efforts. सब प्रयत्न छोड़ दें, विश्राम करें. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Every cell of our body has space element in it. 90% of every cell is all space. Become aware of the space element in every cell of your body. It's just empty space. शरीर के कण कण में आकाश तत्व है. सब प्रयत्न छोड़ दे, विश्राम. And slowly and gradually you may open your eyes. धीरे धीरे आंखें खोल सकते.